Namaste, students. I welcome you to this session on the basis of human behavior and mental processes. In my previous lecture, I taught you about the first dominant, the most important theories of the cause of the behavior as well as mental processes. This was the biological theory, number one. Second was the behavioral theory, and third was psychodynamic or psychoanalytical theory. Today I am going to tell you about the humanistic theory of the psychology. The humanistic theory of psychology attempts to understand the behavior and mental processes of human beings in terms of motives and needs. From the bottom toward the top, there are 8 total needs, but first 4 needs are most important for our behavior and mental processes, as well as for good mental health and poor mental health. The lowermost need is called the physiological need according to the Abraham Maslow, who was the proponent and the father of this theory. See, all of us have the biological bodily need for breathing in, for taking air, taking food, water, sex, sleep, and homeostasis, excretion. So if any of these need of passing the stool, passing the urine, and quenching thirst, satisfying hunger, satisfying the sexual need is blocked, our behavior becomes changed, our mental processes become differently. Then our second need is the need of safety. Safety of the body, safety in terms of safety of the body, safety of employment, safety in terms of the resources. See, whatever you have, the clothes, the food you have, you would like to protect it under a home. And the safety of morality, the safety of the family, safety of health. And if our safety is threatened, our behavior becomes changed. So we put on our clothes, we put on hat, we put on shoes to protect our body from the threats of the sun, water, and the wind. And similarly, we buy a house, and the earlier human beings tend to live under a cave to protect their body. So this is a very much the security need of our body. The third of our need is called the love and belongingness, and we fulfill this need with our friends, with the family, mother, father, and also after marriage with the sexual intimacy. What is love? Love is basically a sense of belongingness, and this is very unique to not only the other animals but also a human being, and it is one of the reasons that human beings cooperate. And this is the cause of happiness, satisfaction in the life. And this is a very important need. And the fourth need is the self-esteem or self-respect need. The self-esteem need inculcates the confidence. It is enhanced through systematic achievements of the goals, attaining certain kind of skills, and the self-respect is revealed by a kind of respect for oneself as well as the respect for others. Abraham Maslow says if first 4 needs are adequately satisfied, then we can go further to satisfy other 4 needs of the the cognition, aesthetic, and transcendental and growth. So first 4 needs are basically the cause of the behavior and mental processes, and and let us now go to the last part, which is the cognitive theory. The cognitive theory says, let us understand first what is cognition. Cognition is basically the higher mental processes which comprises sensation, that means perceiving or just receiving the sensory input through the eyes, through the ears, perception, understanding whatever you are receiving through the senses, memory, motivation, emotions, problem solving through intelligence, and all this. Cognitive psychology is basically the branch of psychology which includes, of course, the thinking, opinion, belief system, values and value system, and as a cause and result of human behavior. It means the cognitive psychology simply says the cause of human behavior and mental processes is number one, our thinking, our opinions, our beliefs, our belief systems, our values, value systems, etc. For example, there is a belief that sun rise in the east and sun set in the west. This is one fact, but other side of the fact is sun never sets and never rise. So one should never be just waved by the one belief on one side. Try to know the truth. For example, another belief is money is evil of all, and I am a teacher. Is the money evil for me? The money is evil for those who are not able to use the money properly, those who are addictive, those who have addictive habits, or those who have excess surplus of money and they don't know how to invest it and grow it. Simply, some people have an idea that women are not intelligent. That is not a fact. See, in Ramayana it is said that no animal or human being in this earth is not intelligent. It means everybody is intelligent. Even the mentally retarded people have an intelligence score between 20-30 to 70. And normal people have an intelligence score of 90 to 110. So human or women, men, all are intelligent. There was another belief that before 2010 that women can't do better, girls can't do better in maths and science, and after 2015 research, the belief was changed. So there are lots of beliefs which tends to change our behavior and change our mental processes. We think accordingly. So this is about how the opinions, beliefs, value systems affects our behavior. For example, today I have put on this tika on my head, and I am a Hindu religion by belief system. But Christian people don't put on this kind of a tika or on the head. This is a part of my behavior, not the part of the belief system who is following Christianity or Muslim. So our behavior does change from value system, from the community to community, belief system to belief system, and this is all about the cognitive psychology. I thank you very much for hearing this video, and in next video I will tell you about what are the areas of psychology. And till then, do think that what did you learn about the 5 theories? I told you the cause of the behavior and mental processes in the body, which is biological theory, in the environment, which is behavioral theory, the psychodynamic theory, which try to understand the cause of behavior and mental processes through conscious, subconscious and unconscious, through the three factors of the personality, through the developmental stage. Fourth is the cause of the behavior as humanistic theory of the need and motivation. Last one is cognitive theory of behavior and mental processes. Thank you very much for watching this video and keep watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much.